Have you ever wanted to run away from home? I made that mistake.
The boy was very angry, but what made him angry and leave? Let's find out. This is Tom's family. They love him very much, but Tom has a big problem.
Yes! I win again! This game is awesome!
Tom played all day and forgot about his homework. His test results were terrible. Hello? Yes, this is Tom's mother. What? He didn't do his homework and got an F? Honey, Tom's teacher just called. Tom failed his big exam. He lied to us.
Tom, turn off the computer right now. We need to talk.
What's wrong, Mom and Dad?
Look at this. An F. Why didn't you study? You only play games.
Tom, we work hard for you. We are very disappointed and sad. You need to be responsible.
You don't understand. The exam was too hard. All you do is yell at me. I hate this.
Tom, come back here. Don't use that tone with us.
They only care about grades. They don't love me. I don't want to live here anymore.
Tom is very angry. He makes a dangerous choice. He decides to run away.
I have some pocket money. I can survive. I will show them I don't need them.
It is midnight. The house is quiet. Tom sneaks out into the dark street.
Tom? Where are you going with that big bag? Mom! Dad! Wake up! Tom took his bag and left the house. He ran away.
Oh my God! No! Where did he go? My poor baby!
Quick, get in the car. He might be at the train station or bus stop.
Tom arrives at the train station. He wants to go to the big city. The boy is definitely around here. We have to find him.
One ticket to the city, please. Easy. I don't need my parents to help me. Tom.
Tom, where are you?
The train to the city is arriving on platform 1.
Look! There he is! On the platform! Tom!
Tom, stop! Don't get on that train!
Oh no! They found me! I have to go now!
Tom, please get off. Come home with us.
Tom! Don't leave me!
They are just angry about grades. I will be fine. I have money. I forgot to buy food. Oh well.
I'll go to sleep now and buy some when I get off the train.
Attention passengers, we have arrived at the final station. Please exit the train.
Oh, we are here? I need to hurry.
Tom runs off the train. The city is big, loud, and strange.
Wait, where is my backpack? Where is my bag? Oh no, my money, my clothes are inside. I am so tired. My feet hurt. I am so hungry.
Tom sees another boy. This boy lives on the street. He has no family.
He has no home, but I threw my home away. I am so wrong.
Hey, are you okay? You look lost.
I lost my bag on the train. I have no money, no food. I ran away from home. Don't cry. Here, take half. It is old, but it fills the stomach. Thank you. Thank you so much. What is your name? I'm Ben. I don't remember my parents. The street is my home. You shouldn't leave your family. Family is everything.
Oh no! Rain! Quick, help me find shelter!
It's raining so hard. Ben, inside here. Come on, Tom. It's so cold. I miss my warm bed.
Through the window, Tom sees a happy family. He realizes how lucky he was.
Tomorrow, we will find a way, my friend. Sleep now. Hey, Tom! Wake up! The sun is up! We need to find food! Anna, let me sleep. 5 more minutes. Oh. I am not at home. I am still here.
To buy food, they must collect recyclable trash. Tom learns how hard life is on the street.
My hands are so dirty. I never did this before. I am sorry, Mom, for complaining about chores. Look, Tom, we have enough money for a good lunch. Let's buy some hot dogs.
Hey, little rats! Give me the money! Now!
No, this is our money. We worked all morning for it.
A big bully wants to take Ben's money. Ben is too small to fight.
Stop! Don't touch him! Leave him alone! Fine, take the money. Just don't hurt my friend. Our money, our lunch is gone. I'm sorry, Tom.
It's okay, Ben.
Ben, you are safe. But I feel so dizzy.
Because of hunger and exhaustion, Tom was completely worn out and gradually fainted.
Where am I? Is this a dream?
Oh, Tom, you are awake. Thank God. We found you at the hospital. Mom, Dad, Anna, I am so sorry. I was wrong. I was so stupid to run away. Please forgive me.
We forgive you, son. Grades are important, but you are more important. We love you so much. Don't ever leave us again.
Wait, where is Ben? He saved me. He shared his food with me. Is he okay?
Don't worry, Tom. Ben is here. He stayed with you all the time. He told us everything.
Ben? You look amazing. Thank you for saving my life. You protected me from the bully too, Tom. Your family is wonderful.
Ben has no home, so we decided to help him. He can stay with us for a while, and we will find a good school for him.
Tom learned his lesson. Hard work at school is important, but family love and kindness are the greatest treasures.
Thank you for watching. Remember to study hard and love your family. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.